Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to uh, how to fill up Fiji Passenger Arrival Card when you travel to Fiji. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, many countries have their own immigration formalities, including declaration. So when you arrive to Fiji, you get this form in your flight, and also at the airport you get this form and you have to fill up when you go for customs. And it has to be filled either in blue and blank ink in capital letters, and each passenger needs to have this. So the first is surname, it's very simple. Then your first name, put your permanent address, your passport number, make sure it matches. Nationality on your passport, date of birth, gender, address in Fiji. So if you're going for tourism, you know where you're gonna stay. Okay. So put that information, your occupation, flight number, name of ship, overseas port, where you boarded this flight and ship. Okay. So let's say you had a direct flight. Okay. Then you know which one to put, right? But suppose you went from your city to city B, and from city B you went to Fiji. So here you need to put the details of city B. Now your residential status. Answer this section only if you are a Fiji citizen or resident. So this we can take off. Answer this section only. I mean, if you are a tourist, then this we can take off. If you are citizen, fill this up. Answer this section if you are not a Fiji citizen or resident. Date you are leaving, purpose. If you are going for tourism, you'll get a holiday. What is your usual country of business assessment that you can put? Arrival card to be returned by visitor. So surname, date of birth, given name, departure flight number, passport number, and this is for official account. Okay. Will bear instrument with a combined balance of currency. Set. Okay. So a currency or negotiable bearer instrument with a combined value of Fijian dollar 10,000 or its equivalent foreign currency. Then you need to fill one more form. Otherwise, no. You must answer every question. If unsure, select yes. Goods which will provide say drugs, weapons, firearm, more than 250 sticks of cigarette or more than 250 grams of tobacco product, 2.25 liters of spirit or more than 4.5 liters of wine, goods for commercial purposes, any professional technical equipment, personal goods, currency, health, and biosecurity. Okay, so this is like general questions. I don't have to explain. You have any health declaration to fever, cough, vomiting, and sign and date. So once you sign it, it becomes a legal document. Okay. So be very careful about what you do, and if you're not sure of something, select yes. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.